Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the SunwayFoto PNL-Z6, an L mount bracket for the Nikon Z6. So an L bracket is exactly what the name says. It's a bracket shaped like an L, and it attaches to your camera via the same 1/4 inch screw mount that you would attach your traditional tripod quick release plate. However, an L bracket offers significant advantages over a traditional quick release plate because, well, it's shaped like an L, so you can attach it to your tripod either horizontally, like you would do traditionally with a quick release plate, or vertically with the L-shaped bend in it there. It also allows you to mount more accessories than to your camera via the 1/4 inch screw mount on the side. And you could put an LED light on there, or a external display, or a microphone, or any number of extra expansion accessories to really expand the capabilities of your camera. So that's all. It's a remarkably useful, if simple, device. Now, the SunwayFoto PNL-Z6 is a very well made L bracket. It's solid metal, it feels very sturdy, and it's also fairly light. It only weighs like a few grams. It adds a negligible weight to your camera, and that you want that because especially with mirrorless cameras, they are built to lighten your load, and you don't want to be adding just unnecessary extra weight. So this L bracket adds a lot of extra functionality without adding a lot of extra weight. This SunwayFoto bracket is compatible with Arca-Swiss mounts, and works great with my Photo Pro XGO Max tripod, and a wide range of other tripods, which is nice. You can have this one bracket work for all your tripods if they all have an Arca-Swiss style tripod plate. And there really isn't that much to say about a product like this. It's a fairly simple device that's just extremely useful. The screw mount in it is movable, so you can attach it to your camera and adjust how it sits on your cameras. Like if you want more room between it and the other side of the L bracket for some reason, you can do that. And it has a loop on one side, so you can attach a camera strap or something else. Not exactly sure what else you would attach to it other than a camera strap, but anyway, there's that. One of the things I found to be really nice about having an L bracket like this on my camera is that it provides extra durability, extra protection from bumps and collisions, because this is taking the brunt of the force and not your camera. So it does actually improve the durability of my camera. There was one time a few weeks ago where I really jarred my camera by accident against something, and it might have caused damage, but this took the strength of that impact off the camera. And so yeah, it's a pretty useful accessory despite how simple it is. This will run you back about $50, which seems like a lot for just this tiny little bit of metal, but it's worth it. It's something that from now on I plan to attach to new cameras with an L bracket, and SunwayFoto makes a pretty nice L bracket. So anyway, that's that quick little review. Thanks for watching. I've got a review of the Z6 here, and I'm going to be putting together a long-term review of the Laowa 100mm super macro lens that I have attached to it right now. I'm going to be putting that together very soon, so you might subscribe for that. And anyway, thanks for watching. I hope to see you all again next time. Bye.